What's going on YouTube? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Appreciate you guys watching today. All right, we got a sale. Got this about a year ago from one of my favorite coin channels on YouTube that you can actually buy stuff from an actual dealer. It's called Coin Crew, so shout out to them. Bought this a year ago. Premiums were pretty high still about a year ago, but I got a good deal on it and was actually able to sell this for profit. So really like this coin, so I didn't mind holding on to it for a year because every time I open my one of my silver storage boxes that I use to put other resellable coins in, I always got to see this, so I would like always pop it out, look at it, and go ooh but it's so funny, like, you know, with my age group, mid 40s here, this not the queen, but the cobra reminds me of a one of my favorite cartoons growing up, and action figures, G.I. Joe. So, and then some of you guys that are older than me used to play with the big G.I. Joes. Well, this is when they made an actual evil villain, and this reminds me of a Cobra Commander coin. So, um, G.I. Joe, and then the what was his name? Destro would yell Cobra. So, anyways, I always like to recycle packaging when I send my coins out. Sending a little gift here. This is a Buffalo nickel with a full nice date. It's probably very fine, but it's a gift that I give. And if you haven't watched, if you're into Buffalo nickels, I bought 2 Buffalo nickel rolls, did videos on it, and they were so nice. So I ended up buying like 8 more from the same seller on eBay. And and I picked out like the nicer ones, and then I have those listed in my shop. Now I'm good with buffaloes probably for at least the next 6 months. So, anyways, shipping this out today. There was some other sales today too, but I always ship out same day. So, get the orders out, and so people get their coins right away. That's the other thing too that's annoying. It's like, do you ever buy something on eBay and it like takes the dudette like 2 weeks to ship it out? Super annoying. So. But we'll get that out. Now we're going to do the unboxing. I'm super excited. This unboxing is going to entail a little bit of old and something brand new that nobody's actually seen before. And maybe the old thing I'm showing too is something you've never seen before. And then something is like not coin related in this box. But anyways, I always enjoy doing these unboxing videos and just sharing the experience with you guys. So again, I really appreciate those of you that watch. I super appreciate people that actually buy from my eBay store. Definitely help support the channel. I might do like memberships and stuff later, and might like offer free shipping through eBay if you have a membership. But for now, I'm just keeping it simple. Not doing that yet. All right, so the very first item here is coin that I ordered. Let's take a look at it. Oh man, that is so nice. Okay, if I were just show you this part of the coin, you'd be like, man, that thing's awesome. Deep mirror proof, like, right? Anytime you can see the mirrors like that, I mean, dude, look at how perfect that is. It's so reflective. But the reason it didn't receive proof like or deep mirror proof like, plus it's an 1880, so it's a common date, is the reverse. Not so much. And there's a little something up there. But were they a little rough, you know, giving this a mint state 62? Yeah, but it doesn't matter. I bought it because it's so hard now to find Frosty Morgans. Whether they're mint state, whatever, it's just these people gobble these up. They park them in their collection and you never see them again. So anytime you can get a Frosty Morgan, it's definitely Frosty Eagle too, but it just doesn't stand out as much with the fields of the coin. Like, this is awesome. And this is a rattler, so this is the very first year that PCGS did their grading. So super excited, but man, this definitely a CAC candidate, as you would say. So there's a sticker program. If you got a green CAC sticker on there, this would probably double the value of this coin, probably be a $300 coin with the CAC sticker. And if you got the gold CAC, meaning if CAC believes that this is at least a mint state 63, which pretty strong candidate to do so. If it's got a gold sticker, easily would shoot up to like $700-800. I know it sounds stupid, but the cheapest CAC gold sticker PCGS Rattler right now on eBay is like $500, and it's for like a common date Mercury dime. So anyways, excited about this coin. Super happy to offer that. I was going to wait till like end of the week because I got more Morgans coming in. And again, this is from you guys helping me clear out my old inventory, so I'm able to replace it with new cool inventory that'll sell really fast. But that'll be listed in my store in the description. This next item is absolutely not coin related, but it's one of my favorite style lighters. These were made in like the 70s. This is a company called SD DuPont, and these are gold plated with 18 karat gold, and just beautiful, beautiful lighter. Even if you don't smoke, it's something cool to have. So I will be doing a separate video on servicing this, and believe it or not, it's one of my most popular. Yeah, this needs a new flint. It's like my second most popular video is just me cleaning one of these, and my like third or fourth most popular video is me changing the flint on these. I don't know. I put some like newer music with it, so I don't think it's you guys that have actually seen that. I just think it's maybe a younger generation, but just a very, very cool lighter. So happy to get that. And I got another one coming in. So I've actually got all my lighter stuff on the side here ready to do it. So I'm going to do a separate video right after this one. So if you want to watch how those lighters are taken apart and put back together and serviced, you can learn something. Anyways, this is the real reason I'm doing this unboxing, because this is brand new stuff. What is this here? This is some sort of advertisement. All right, pretty smart. Yep. Buy more stuff from us. All right. What are these little velvet pouches? Well, that's fancy. All right. Well, whoever buys these coins from me, you will get these beautiful black pouches. Like, that's pretty neat. Very nice way of delivering a coin. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, wow. It's freaking cool. What do you guys think? Wow. And that's our new NGCX Mint State. That's the new grading system. So brand new grading, brand new holder. Like, these just came out. Probably the first one on YouTube to do a video on it. And I got two of the same. Oh man, these are nice. Like, I want to keep these so bad. but I told myself I'm only keeping like some special stuff. But this is pretty special. I don't know. What do you guys think of this label? So it's funny, right? It's like, don't buy the label, buy the coin. Well, let's take a look at the coin. Let's see if they did a nice job. Yeah, this is my opinion, guys. So I haven't got a ton of these new Eagles in yet, but I did a prior video with the PCGS Mint State 70. That one sold, by the way, so thank you whoever bought that. But NGCX with these 10s, they are making sure the coins are perfect. Versus like Mint State 70, you can like look at 10 of them, 2 or 3 of them will have like some kind of distortion or issue on the coin. Not like really distracting, but there'll be like a little mark or a little bit of milking. But these are spot on. So man, what a cool holder. All right, so let's compare it to, and I already did a video on this one. So I'm okay with this new grading system, and I'm okay with like how much attention they're paying to it and what they're doing as far as putting coins in there. So here's like what we're kind of used to seeing, sort of, but it's like this X is different, you know, versus like the Mint State 70 brown holders as they're called, or like they'll make this part red or black or red, white, and blue. So this is like their generic NGCX, but this is the first day of issue, so this one will always be worth a little bit more. But man, this label here, like, that catches your eye. And then let's flip it. All right, we got a hologram here, but we have no hologram here. That is interesting. So this is the very first newer NGC holder or I guess NGCX holder, and it doesn't have a hologram in the back. So I don't know if I like that. I guess they had to do that to show the full eagle, but what do you guys think? Like, I think this is cool. I can appreciate this new grading system. I think this will help simplify the hobby and bring newer collectors into the hobby. And we're not talking kids. We're talking like younger guys with money. So guys like they're in their 20s that are collecting trading cards or comic books or whatever, and they're used to this system. And something like this is like, bam, like that's going to stick out in a dealer's case. Like this will get someone looking at your case. And if that's laying there and this one's laying there, like, dude, you're going to be like, oh, let me see that one. You're like, no, let me see that one. I want to get that one. So they did a really, really nice job on this label. Really nice job. So these will both be listed in the description in my store. They're probably going to sell really, really quick. I like them. I think this is going to be a collector's item. Not so much the coin. I mean, it's nice that the coin is, in perfect condition, but it's a bullion coin. It's really the label. Like if you're into collecting the different labels or you want to just add something cool to your collection, this looks nice on both sides. Yeah, both of these are perfect. So anyways, hopefully you guys can appreciate the brand new reveal of this type of label. What do you guys think? I mean, leave me your honest comments. Do you think this NGCX 10 is like bogus? Does it help the hobby? Does it hurt the hobby? Does it make it more confusing? Do you like these new labels? I'm trying it out, and I'm at least getting this product out there so you guys can see it. A lot of you guys don't really collect American Silver Eagles, but those of you that stack, my favorite of those channels would be like, buy generic, buy boring, buy something scratched. It's the weight that matters. Well, yeah, if you're a true silver stacker and that's how you roll, but that's so boring. Let's be honest, guys. If you're into this hobby, you're into everything silver, and some of you guys, rather than buying a tube of 2023 American Silver Eagles, you'll buy something like this and be like, well, I do have one, and I have more of a collector's example than a stacker silver bullion example. But I like it. And the reverse is growing on me. So is the obverse with the font and all that stuff, and this little W here, which isn't the mint mark. And they put the little niche there and this, by the Y. And the new 2023s, but you can't see it in this holder because it's completely covered. But anyways, I appreciate you guys watching. Please like, share, subscribe. And again, I do appreciate if you do make a purchase from my store. Thank you. That is a way that you can support the channel. And like I said, maybe later on I'll do some sort of membership where you'll get like a discount or free shipping. But right now, I just want to keep it simple. And if you do want to buy these will be listed in the description of the store. And so will this Bangin 1880S Mint State 62 that is so ready for cacking. It's not even funny. And this is still available. But for now, like, there's another seller that has these cheaper, so I wouldn't be like so excited about jumping on this. But if you're watching this, it's like 6 months later and I still have this coin, you can send me a message and I'll probably sell it to you if I still have it. But I doubt this will last another 2 weeks in my inventory. And then for those of you that are smokers or like to smoke cigars and you want to watch me take this bad boy apart, clean it and refurbish it, and you want to buy it, these are very, very cool. So hopefully it works and I don't have to change the valve because I don't have the tool for that. But I can clean everything else and change it all. So appreciate you guys watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.